I cannot believe that I live here. It is the most beautiful place on earth. I don't know what it was about today, but it felt different. Today is day 44 of uploading every single day for a whole year. And today was probably my favorite day so far. I've never felt more alive in my life. This is beautiful. I cannot believe we live here. I can't believe that sometimes I bitch and complain about life when I live in such a beautiful place like this. It is truly humbling to see nature do its thing because it completely changes the way I think,